Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your screensaver on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on a blank area of your desktop and you want to select Personalize. You want to scroll down on the right side and select Lock Screen. So go ahead and left click on that. You can also search for this in the search menu as well. And on the right side, you want to go down to underneath Related Settings and select Screensaver. And go ahead and click on this little button next to it to open it up. At this point, if screensaver is set to anything in here, you can just go ahead and click inside the drop down and change the screensaver listed. You can also select the settings button in here too if there are any settings you can modify, as well as previewing the screensaver. So pretty straightforward process there, guys, on how to do that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.